Hi friends! The info function returns a text string containing information about the current operating environment. Let's see how the info function can be used in Microsoft Excel. Open the desired Excel worksheet. Here, for demo purpose, we are using a worksheet according to the info function. The info function syntax has the following argument. Type text that specifies what type of information you want to be returned. Please check the web URL given in the video description below this video for complete details, that is, syntax and remarks. We are also showing you the description of the function we are going to use here. To find the number of active worksheets, select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Type equals info, open parentheses, open quotes, num file, close quotes, close parentheses, and then press the Enter key. It will show the number of active worksheets. To find the recalculation mode for the workbook, select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Type equals info, open parentheses, open quotes, recalc, close quotes, close parentheses, and then press the Enter key. It will show the recalculation mode for the workbook. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.